Hi all, today we're going to do the Imbil to Bruloo old train line walk. It's 9.6 k's there and back, and there's a tunnel there somewhere to have a look at. Lay the track down and it does take it. I don't even know why they pulled it up or not.
Look how much we have to go.
Well, that's... if we're already there, then it's fine. Mm. Oh, there are signs that say how far it is from Imbil to Bruloo and the same way back. Yeah.
That's not the tunnel there.
Go down.
Just wait a minute, Lauren. Lauren.
No, it's not. It was really the size of a bloody Channel Blue grilled cuckoo. It was a big bird. A old railway signal tower. The actual device is up there in the tree.
Mm.
It tells them to stop coming into the shunting yard or something like that. This is where they used to spin the train around to go back towards Imbil from Bruloo. Oh, we're at the other end of Bruloo. My grandfather used to be the publican here years ago, and at Imbil.
Oh. Yep. Okay, so we've been in the wrong spot. The actual tunnel is located a couple k's away from the Mary Valley Trail. So we're heading there now.
Oh, that must be where it is over there. See where the rails go round it? There's a turnstile over there on the left.
We've just gone up Tunnel Road right to the end, and the entrance track is on the southern side, marked by a big sign on a tree with a hand pointing down.
We'll have to go around the long way.
Unfortunately, my second camera just died, so now I'll be filming on my shoddy phone, so yeah.
blue heeler up there.
Oh, we did see one before. Didn't you show on the torch bin?